Hi, thanks for watching. And if you're a beginner and you're going to be installing a glass shower door, you're going to want to see this so you can make sure that your shower door is going to end up being leveled when you put it in. Because if you have a gap in your wall, which I did, which was about an inch on the top part, right up here, I had about an inch going and then it went down. That's how off my wall was. It's because whoever made my house used what they call banana boards, 2x4s, cheapest kind they could find, and slap them in. Easy to hide on drywall, but when you put a shower in, there's no hiding it, being that you're gonna have a precision, perfect cut piece of glass when you order it. So what I'm doing here is showing you guys how to make sure that it's gonna be leveled once you got it done. So I'm gonna explain to you guys some things that I did to get my floor to be leveled. So what I've got put down is backer board. I placed backer board all the way around because putting in my own shower curb and shower pan, building my own, you're gonna be adding about 400 to 500 pounds in that little area. That's the reason I put a backer board. If you guys don't know what backer board is, it is the sheets of backer board, pretty much what I got laying up here, but this is a 1/2 inch one. They make a 1/4 inch one. And that's what I got, is a 1/4 inch of backer board down. Put down a lot of screws, even more that's intended, so you make sure you got a good, nice, solid floor. I got my shower curb built, and the reason you see it up on 2 little paint sticks is because that's where I need to have it in order to have this leveled. What I'm gonna do is shoot a bunch of liquid nails under there. I'm not gonna add any screws till all that liquid nails is dry, and come back about a day or 2 later, drill some holes, shoot them into the floor for support. 2 screws every about 10 inches or 12 inches or so for a solid curb, shower curb. You're gonna wanna make sure that's shower. But back to this, what I've done here is I added 4 bags of leveler. It's called, I think I got it from Menards, TEC floor leveler. And what you're gonna wanna do is make that like a watery substance, almost like water or a soup. And then you throw it down and you level it out. You can watch my videos on my channel showing how I leveled this floor out that was off by an inch. Little quick trick for you guys right here. Get you guys a square or an L, whatever you want to call it. It looks like a little L, but it's a square. And you're gonna want to check your wall, but that doesn't check it more than 2 feet on one end and about 15 inches on the other end. So what I came up with, this is my own idea, is using a 3x5 backer board and using that frame as an L so I could check my shower. And as you can see here, I'll come over here and look at that. I barely got a gap because my glass shower door that's gonna go in there is 7 feet tall, which is only gonna go another 2 feet higher, which is about right there, and come down to exactly right there, which is perfect. I'll remove this little L bracket and you see what I got. So I'm just using this as a reference to make sure that when I put my glass shower door in here, I'm not gonna have no gaps because I got no room for play. There's nothing you could do to adjust the glass shower door. You can use this little L bracket. That's what most people use. I came up with this where I could check a bigger area, bigger distance to make sure. And the reason I have a backer board sitting up against the wall is because you can't trust just one 2x4. So when I've placed this here and I know I got no rocking and it's solid, that's how my tile is gonna look like when the tile's up there. 1 screw right there, and I got it sitting on 3 2x4s. I'm just using this to check the level. So I'm gonna check this end. Also, I got a leveling bar. If you guys are doing a shower for your first time, I got 3 leveling bars. One's 4 feet, one's a little like 8 or 9 incher. Then I got another, what is that, 2.5 foot, 2 foot one. You're gonna wanna use these all over the place. Keep checking all your work. And not only do you need to make sure that you got no gap in this section, but you're gonna wanna make sure that your floor is completely leveled, which that's fairly on. I'm pretty happy with that. You're gonna wanna check your floor. You're gonna wanna check the top. You're gonna wanna check everything with your level. You can see that this side is level 2, and this is the gap I was talking about. And that could be hidden with a little bit of the tile where it'll be just a little bit higher when I go to tile it, or I could hide it by when I put a lot more mortar on the back of my tiles when I go to put this up to make it flush. I don't think that that will be visible. My main concern is my glass shower door. That will be very visible. And when you guys are doing something like this, you need to understand that you're going to be hiding or manipulating, you know, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. That can be manipulated. But if you're talking about 1 inch, it's hard to manipulate that in a short space. Mine is I got about an extra, I'd say about 1 inch of liquid leveler right here, and I've blended it, and it goes down to like probably about almost the wall. So you see what's going on. You almost have to fill up the whole room with liquid leveler to get your floor where you want it. I hope this video helps you guys out on making sure that your glass shower door that you're gonna put in is perfect and it's where you want it. So this is just a little quick tip on what to do. And if my wall was off a little bit where I didn't want to level my floor was on, but my wall was off, what you would want to do is not mount the backer board first. What you do is find out what parts are wobbly or loose. See right here, I put liquid nails over here. I only had a hair of it, but if you got a lot of it, you can shoot a lot of liquid nails on there. Only put 1, 2 screws, check it with a level, and when it's on, let it dry. Don't put a bunch of screws in there and try to make it flush. What you're doing is using the liquid nails to level it, hold it in place about 1 or 2 days, and then when it's solid and you know it's leveled, then put your screws in for support. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out in one way or another on how to level your shower. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.